Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest information as regards all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move to the coin of today. As you can see, a whole lot of red across the board. Yeah, just some few green down there. A lot of coins just having some push. But today I will be telling you why I would be buying more Algorand, and just wait to hear my reasons, right? So coin of the day today is Algorand, right? We're ranked 40 currently. We have a market cap of 1.38 billion with a 24-hour volume of $97.41 million, right? For the month, we're down 17.8%. For the week, we're down 15.8%, and at the time of recording, we are up just about 0.1%. And without further ado, let us move over to the charts. And as you can see right here, this is the chart for Algorand versus the US dollars, or the USD Theta, which also can be set to US dollars on the daily time frame, and Binance is our data source. So as you can see, drawn already is our support and resistance levels, and so this is some of the things we would be looking at. And as you can see, we have a huge this is the daily time frame, by the way. We have a very huge support even for Algorand down there at the 0.16 region. So everything right down from the 0.17 to the 0.16 region, I will be accumulating even more Algorand, and I'll be telling you why, because I believe we could see a huge massive move for Algo in the next coming few days. And just wait up and I will explain why I would be doing so, right? So there's high probability we could still see some little push even to the downside. We could see something like this and then still have another huge push to the downside. And one of the reasons is if I bring up some of our indicators, as you can see right down here, this is the oscillator. As you can see, for some of you that has been following the video, you remember I was telling you right down from the top that we could see a huge push even to the downside for Algorand. And congratulations for some of you that sold and for some of you that shorted, right? And you know, we're expecting this downtrend, right? As you can see in the last video, you can just scroll down, you see it in the last video. We were expecting this downtrend, and currently we are pushing down, and I'll tell you more reasons why we should be bullish, right? And as you can see, we're getting to the end of the trend. Yes, we are steadily pushing down. As you can see, our oscillator is pushing high a bit. So as you can see, we are steadily pushing to the downside. But I won't be accumulating until we get to the 0.17 and the 0.16 region. So I would be accumulating more Algorand there for a huge bounce to the upside. As you can see, we're steadily still pushing downward. So we probably should still be expecting more downwards price pressure even for Algorand. Same thing if you see on the money flow. The money flow is another reason why we should consider a huge bullish option even for Algorand. As you can see right up here, this was one of the reasons we saw that we said we should probably could see a huge push to the downside even for Algorand. As we could see, here's the money flow, and the money flow helps us understand what is happening behind the scenes. And as you can see, we saw a huge divergence to the downside, which meant that a lot of money was leaving Algorand at the moment, and so we probably should be selling out, as a lot of whales were taking profit. So as you can see, the money flow is already flattening out. As you can see, every time we saw this kind of flattening out, we saw another push. As you can see, we saw some little flattening out and then a push to the downside. So every time we see this kind of flattening in the money flow, as you can see, we're getting to the end of the push either ways, right? As you can see, we saw a huge divergence here, dump. Now we are seeing a divergence, so we probably should expect a pump. We could see still some little downward price action before we see another huge pump. Another reason why we're very bullish is this chart here. Oh, sorry, this should be Algorand, right? Is this chart here, and this is the chart for Algorand versus the US dollars. And as you can see right here, every single time we came to the end of our channel, that was one of the best time to buy. As you can see right down here, we hit the channel and you see we're pushing up. Same thing here, we almost hit the end of the channel and we began to push up. Same thing here, exactly, we hit our channel, began to push up, and currently we are already hitting the end of our channel. So that means we should be expecting some sort of little bounce even for Algorand in the medium to short term. As we bring up some of our indicators, right, as you can see, we are having more support to the fact that we probably could see another huge push to the upside. As you can see, for the stochastic right down, we were at the lows and we saw a huge push to the upside. As you can see, same thing here, we had the lows, we saw a huge push to the upside, and you can see currently we are about to get into the lows. That means we probably should be expecting some kind of huge push to the upside in the medium to long term. So this is something you should be considering, as I would be stacking around this area, right, for a bounce to the upside. As you can see, same thing with our what do you call it, our RSI. As you can see, our RSI already closing very close to the bottom, so we are expecting some very high reversal in the coming few days. So if you like the channel and you love the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day.